Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Eva.
Dear Eva.
Blew the candle.
And you what? Wait. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Eva. Ooh.
Oh, are they going to sleep?
Pag nahiga ako, mag-sleep sila.
Wow.
No, if you put them to sleep, if they go na. Yeah, there you go. Oh,
Ang lamig. Mag-ingat pa, okay.
what happened?
Have you eat? Wait.
Eat again? Where are you? Oh, they like pizza?
Yeah.
I thought they like a...
It's cake.
Oh, cake? Okay. Oh, that's a cake. Jelana, we'll wait for Ate Dong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Eva. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to Eva. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to
May nabibili na may stocking na maliit na ganyan, mother.
Eva.
Stocking na maliit na ganyan. Yung ganyan stocking niya.
Yung
Stocking, may maliliit na ganyan.
saan?
Sa store.
Yung suot na ni Domingo.
No, that's not. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. You better tomorrow and not your birthday. You're a birthday, Charlie. A new birthday.
Who's your new bestie?
My birthday.
Your birthday? Your birthday is done. It's gonna be next year again.
My birthday.
Huh?
My other birthday.
You have only one birthday.
And then next year I had a new birthday.
Yeah, you're gonna be 7 next year.
So what is it?
October 3. Yeah.
Am I right? And next year?
Yep.
It's in a time. It'll be 10 more.
Yeah.
10
7.
or 10.
You'll be 7.
No, it'll be 10 on birthday.
Yep. You're gonna be 7 next year.
Ooh.
Yeah, you like that? Gonna be a big girl. And your toys.
No more toy.
No more toy. When you're bigger, no more toy.
Yeah.
You still have toys when you're bigger?
Yeah.
Really?
The toy. There's a day that I have more toy.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna be a busy at school.
You want more?
Jelana, you're gonna be busy at school, anak. Close your mouth.
It's not me.
Close your mouth. Jelana, oops, we'll be done soon.
Here one more.
Ayan, thank you, Chai.
May other thing.
Ay, Diyos may momo pala.